Humanities are about exploring the gray and exploring the minutiae between two truths. We want to encourage students to ask questions, to ponder the problem of the human condition.
I've always been really interested in the humanities. It was probably 7th or 8th grade when I decided I wanted to be a writer. I write about myself. I try and put my thoughts on paper so I can better understand who I am. Not everything you write will be good. It's a very non-judgmental environment where we're allowed to share what we write without fear of judgment.
Beginning in their junior year, students can start earning credits in the humanities program by taking AP courses, dual enrollment courses, classes that are above and beyond. This program is designed for students who are creative and deep thinkers.
I am a person with a lot of goals. I want to be able to do bike racing for the rest of my life. I want to own my own company. I definitely want to make an influence on my community. Anything that you're interested in, there's going to be a teacher and an entire group of students standing behind you and pushing you to be able to do it.
I actually became a lot more outgoing since coming to Miller. It told me I have a voice and I can be heard if I choose to be.
Please help me welcome Maria Nima.
At the start of my 10th grade year, I had a conversation with Mr. Fickley that changed my opinion of the word tolerance. Tolerance is not the same as acceptance or love, but communication is two words to find common ground.
Oftentimes in life we have to draw on either personal experience or the experiences of others, and the humanities program really gets students exposed to that wisdom. There's an authentic dialogue between me and the student. My own values are being shaped and formed in the same way that theirs are.
You pose these big, gigantic questions and you don't know right off the bat how to answer them. And that's allowed me to grow, and I find myself debating in my own head over things that I thought that I really believed in.
We want our students to be thoughtful and never stop asking questions. We want them to be good listeners. We want them to look at the world and see ways in which they can shape it and form it. To be leaders, to be thinkers, to be problem solvers. We want our students to offer something to the world.